good news. Introducing Alliance in Motion Global's breakthrough product, the C24/7. Providing complete nutrition and round-the-clock protection, C24/7 is formulated and exclusively manufactured by Nature's Way for Alliance in Motion Global to provide everyone with complete nutrition and cellular protection. It is the most advanced food and nutrition supplement with over 22,000 all-natural antioxidants and phytonutrients. It has 29 vitamins and minerals, from vitamin A to zinc, which are essential for body functions, including building a strong immune system. It has the potency of 12 whole fruit juice blends and 12 vegetable juice blends. It has 18 different amino acids, essential for muscle regeneration. It contains 12 super green foods and spirulina blend, including chlorophyll. It has 12 kinds of the most potent mushrooms in the world, 12 different digestive enzymes, a good source of probiotics, which are important to maintain a healthy digestive system. It also contains 12 specialty nutrients, including B-complex. It has 10 essential fatty acids that help improve blood circulation and prevent heart disease. Aside from these, C24/7 also contains 5 anti-aging antioxidant enhancers and 4 longevity polyphenols. C24/7 is a 100% expedient-free, all-natural vegetable capsule that has a high absorbance capacity that can disintegrate after 15 minutes inside the stomach. It is further enhanced by a unique technology known as PhytoAlkatech, making the capsule alkaline-based in such a way that its active components are not easily damaged by the acid in the stomach during digestion, thereby preserving its potency and purity. C24/7 compounds its effect through the combination of its different active components, since study shows that these components are more effective when combined together, known simply as synergistic effect or Synertech. With a unique manufacturing technology of Nature's Way, this product has kosher rating, halal certification, and is approved by the Food and Drug Authority of different countries. By providing our body with essential nutrients, C24/7 is a perfect supplement for a more vibrant and healthy body. Another product of Alliance in Motion Global is the Complete Phyto Energizer. This also contains the different components of the C24/7, such as 29 vitamins and minerals, 12 whole fruit juice blends, 12 whole vegetable juice blends, 12 mushrooms, 14 super green foods, 12 digestive enzymes, 18 amino acids, 12 specialty nutrients, and 10 essential fatty acids. It is also made up of VCAP or vegetable capsule. The only difference is that Complete doesn't contain the longevity polyphenols and anti-aging enhancers that C24/7 has. Another amazing product we have is Restore Life Longevity Formula. It has a comprehensive, unique, and standardized resveratrol blend of powerful longevity polyphenols, including Japanese knotweed, premium red wine extract, grapeseed extract, and concentrated red wine powder. According to the National Institute of Aging, resveratrol activates sirtuin enzymes that promote longer lifespan. Enjoy a longer and healthier life with our Restore Life. Next, we have Coletus. Coletus is a premium, high-potency source of fish oil omega-3 that helps reduce the levels of bad cholesterol or low-density lipoprotein that are clogging the blood vessels that lead to plaque buildup, making us prone for heart attack, CVA, or stroke. It is PCB-free and mercury-free and molecularly distilled, making it safe for pregnant and lactating women who need extensive amount of DHA for their baby's brain development and to avoid postpartum depression after giving birth. Next, Slim and Trim. This is an all-natural weight loss supplement. It has the synergistic complex of two of the newest and most proven potent weight loss ingredients, glucomannan and Hoodia gordoni. These natural ingredients promote instant feeling of satiety and help prevent symptoms of constipation. It also helps to increase the body's metabolism and help maintain a healthy blood sugar level, taken at least 30 minutes before a meal. Another product is Alliance in Motion Global's Kiddy 24/7. Fortified with essential vitamins and minerals, perfect for growing children. It contains 16,000 phytonutrients, 26 organic fruits and vegetables in Nutri-Gummy form that help children develop strong immune system and help protect them from different diseases. Its natural, sweet-tasting fruit-shaped gummies would have children crave for more. Alliance in Motion Global also provides beauty and cosmetic products, namely White Light and Perfect White. White Light protects the liver and restores the body's natural antioxidant levels by delivering L-glutathione with vitamin C sublingually. It cleanses the liver of dangerous toxins and free radicals and enhances liver regeneration. Regularly taken, White Light can also enhance the skin color for whiter and fairer complexion. A perfect combination with White Light is our next product, Perfect White. This product is made with L-cysteine peptide, astaxanthin, apple polyphenols, grapeseed extract, and yeast extract. This breakthrough product helps the liver produce natural glutathione. It reduces wrinkles and facial fine lines and helps remove skin blemishes by restoring the hydration and the overall health of the skin. Renew and revitalize the skin for a younger, supple, healthier looking skin with our Perfect White. Next, introducing Alliance in Motion Global's beverage products. First is the Live-In Coffee, the world's first alkaline healthy coffee, which comes in different variants, namely the original, the cappuccino, the latte, and the sugar-free coffee. Made from the finest Arabica coffee beans, combined with the active ingredients of the complete Phyto Energizer, this healthy coffee provides you with an everything-in-one formula. A cup of this every morning provides you with the energy you need for a more productive day. Second is our chocolate drink, My Choco. Another alkaline-based beverage made from premium cocoa powder combined with 16,000 phytonutrients and active components of complete Phyto Energizer and fortified with DHA, which aids in memory enhancement. Served in both hot and cold water, a perfect drink for those who prefer the lovely taste of chocolate. Third in our beverage line is the Vita Cardioceutical Drink. Manufactured by one of the world's leading companies in natural sciences, DSM, Vita is enriched with Lycovera NutriBlend, a specialized combination of carotenoid lycopene and Resvita. Backed up with human clinical study, consumption of 30 milligrams to 270 milligrams of Resvita is found to have resulted in 62% to 91% immediate increase in artery dilation within 1 hour. This healthy drink is effective in reducing the risk of atherosclerosis and coronary heart diseases by preventing the hardening and clogging of bad cholesterol in the blood vessels. Next is Alliance in Motion Global's personal care product, the Natressential Herbal Toothpaste. This is an all-natural toothpaste with bee propolis, piper betel extract, tea tree oil, myrrh extract, and aloe vera extract. These natural ingredients are found to be effective in the inhibition of oral bacteria and fungal infection. They also reduce gum inflammation, prevent plaque formation, and bad breath. Aside from these natural ingredients, this toothpaste is also fortified with the active components of our complete Phyto Energizer, perfect for oral hygiene.